Inside Zinhle Mabena and her hubby's vacay. Isibaya actress Zinhle Mabena and her hubby, Robert Ngwenya, have been living their best lives in island paradise. Zinhle and her hubby have been spending quality time and have been serving all sorts of goals. Zinhle shared a picture of herself in a smoking hot swimsuit and encouraged new moms that it was possible to shed the unwanted kilos. "I usually don't do this. This is for all the mamas out there who are struggling with their weight. My weight loss journey certainly wasn't an easy one after having a baby, but I'm here to say it's possible." Thank you for your listening. Please subscribe our channel for more hot news.